record.
Sir, 7 minus
Hmm.
Sir, 7 minus 2 is 5 because the other number is mismatched, so we'll write 4.
Okay.
And sir, will 8 will change into 2.
8 complement is 2.
2, yeah, sir. Then 5 plus 2 is 7.
That's all. That is the answer. Okay, try to habitate this method by practicing. Ritvik?
Yes, sir. So 5 minus 1 is actually 4, and the next number is mismatched, so we have to write 3. And 5 complement is 5, so we should have 5 to 1, which is 6. So the answer will be 36.
36, correct. Very good. Sudisha. Many students gave the same number, but who gives?
Sir, but he didn't give the names which gave first, sir. Which were given first.
First come, first served.
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
Sudisha.
Sir, he did perfectly D, sir. Then we got.
Sudisha, tell me.
Oh, sir, 6 minus 3 is going to be 3, sir. But besides that, it is a mismatch. So it is going to be 2, and the answer will be 9, sir.
How you got that 9? Complement of 8 is 2. Add this 2 to 7, it will be 9. Okay, in our sessions, I don't need answers. I need approach. Okay.
Okay, like that. Okay, sir.
Shiv Pranav.
Sir. Sir, 4 minus 2 is 2, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 6 minus 5 is 1.
Shall I write 2 only, or we have to reduce 1?
Sir, 2 only.
Because?
Sir, second one is also same, sir.
Yeah, because next place is also match, so that's why we have to keep it as it is 2 only. 6 minus 5 is 1. That's
sir, 1.
It's a simple subtraction, normal subtraction. Then Kunal.
Yes, sir. Sir, 65 minus 37, sir. So, sir, 6 minus 3 is 3, sir. But but next number is mismatch, so it's going to be 2, sir.
Okay.
2 and 5 and 7. So, sir, actually, I'm not able to spell that letter, sir. But 7.
Complement.
To be 3, sir. 3. 3 plus 5. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Complementary. Next, so we need to do 7 as complementary. So it's going to be 3, sir. 3 plus 5 is 8, sir. So answer is going to be 28, sir.
Correct.
So 65 minus 35 is 28.
Okay, okay. Then who is this Mahira?
Sir, Mahavir.
Your name?
Sir, Mahavir.
Mahavir, okay, okay. Proceed.
Sir, so 9 minus 6 is equals to 3, sir. But the next pair of numbers is a mismatch, so we'll write it as 2.
Okay.
Sir, then 2's complement is 8. So 8 plus 0 is 8. So the answer will be 28.
Very good, correct. Kashnika, your turn.
Yes, sir. Coming to this problem, the first column, 8 and 3, it is it's a match. So the answer will be 5 actually. But beside that, we have 2 and 8, which is a mismatch. So we have to write it as 4.
Okay.
And coming to 2 and 8, as it's a mismatch, the complement of 8 would be 2, which would sum up to 10. So 2 plus 2 is 4. So the answer is 44.
Correct. Very good. So 44. So I'm telling you again, don't write the names who are there in this exercise. Okay. Writing, then saying sorry. Don't do all these things. Don't write. Don't write your names. That's all.
Sir, ma'am, sir, like last exercise, Shiv Pranav told full wrong, sir.
Shiv Pranav done wrong?
Yes, sir. He missed many people, sir.
That's why I'm giving chance to the other people who are not there in this exercise.
Okay. Sir, if bits are left out, can we take?
Yeah,
Which are
if
in
bits are
this.
left out, we'll try. Okay.
Okay,
There are 21 students, 21 participants, including me, means 20. So there are 8 persons are over. In the next exercise, we have 12. So perfectly
done.
Khatam. You only
more than
2%.
perfect, sir. Not perfect.
Sir, but half of the people will not reply.
Sir, we can also give answers, sir, because there are so many.
Yes, sir. We will give the
All
answer.
the persons have to answer compulsory.
Sir,
All the
sir,
persons.
also all the persons, sir.
The answers.
Sir, I will answer, sir.
Sir, including
Sir,
the
I will
people of
also
the
answer,
last
sir.
exercise.
Yeah.
Oh.
Don't write your names who are there in the last exercise.
Sir, sir, can I give the name?
Sir, you told all should keep, sir. That's why I kept, sir.
Sir, can I give the name?
Okay, sir, don't consider my name.
Okay, wait, all of you. Compulsory remaining persons have to give compulsory because there are 12 persons and 12 questions. Everyone should get the question. Yeah, sir? Read the names for me.
Okay, sir.
Starting from Aditi.
Sir, A. Aditi, okay. Then E. Yatharth, then K. E. Yatharth, sir. Me only. Sir.
Akash.
Yatharth, sir.
Yatharth, okay, yourself.
Sir, then K. Jaydeep.
Okay.
Then B. Sriharsha.
D.
Sir, B, sir. B.
B.
Sir, L. Jayant.
1 second. Somebody is typing something. What is that, Sudisha? What does it mean to write the answer here? Don't write anything after giving the names. Again, chat box. Okay. All of you stop. Read after Sriharsha. He muted. This is my problem.
Sir, sorry, sir. Sir,
after Jaydeep.
Sir, after B. Sriharsha.
B. Sriharsha. Then
L. Jayant.
Don't write anything.
Jain. Jain, sir.
Jayit.
Yes, sir. Jain, sir.
Okay.
Sir, G. Ritvik.
Okay.
Then B. Satvika. Then again E. Satvika she wrote.
1 second. Jayit, you are not given for L.
Sir, I gave for L, but
sir,
Ritvik got a chance, right?
Sorry?
Sir, I gave.
Okay.
Sir, Ritvik got a chance, right? That's it.
Ritvik is there in the previous exercise. Jayit.
Yes, sir. Then yes, sir, he was there at the last one.
Just wait. You are wasting time. Ritvik? Ritvik?
Sir.
Why you are given name again? I told you already. Don't give. Again and again, I'm telling you are doing the same.
I gave only one time, sir. I also told I apologize and I told I.
Okay.
Sir. Nothing, sir. Sir, only
read the names. Ritvik.
Sir, can I take G?
Ritvik, read the names.
Okay, yes, sir. Sir, I'm reading. From first, sir, in the chat box.
Aditya is over.
Sir, A. Aditi.
Aditi is over, right? Next.
E. Adard.
Okay.
K. Jayadip.
Okay.
B. Sriharsha.
Okay.
L. Jayit.
Okay.
Sir, B. Satvika. E. Satvika.
Ignore all the remaining B's. If once
Okay.
that question is over, ignore those letters. Next.
Okay, sir. Sir, there is only chat, sir, now. Sir, yes, sir. D. Satvika.
Okay.
And
Fast.
sir, again chatting J. Ashwath.
Ashwad.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Done, sir. That's it.
That's all. Where are remaining persons?
Sir, I don't know.
Cyrus, why you are not giving?
Sir, sir, not G, sir. Ashwath is taken by J.
J.
Yes, sir.
Cyrus, why you are not taking question?
Sir, if you take who also got chance, I took G.
Cyrus, what happened? Take one question to explain. What happened to the people? What is your problem, Cyrus?
Sir, I'll take I.
Which question? I. Okay, then. Rohini, take one question. Drona. Yes. Yes, Ashwat.
Sir, I took J, sir.
Ashwat took J.
Yes, sir. You can check the chat, sir.
Okay. Yeah, there is one more point to say in this question. That's why I'm making you fast, but you are not moving.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Drona, what happened to you? Lohini, what happened? Raghav, your question is over there. Next to Sahit Verma. Sri Vallabha. Sri Harsha, given name, right? Okay. Okay, stop chatting. H Lohini. Okay. If I ask again and again, you will move. Otherwise, you will calm quiet. There are 1, 2, 3. 3 more questions and 3 more persons. Drona. Drona, take one question.
Sir, I'm actually having a doubt, sir. I'll clear it out, sir.
Then you have to clear your doubt by speaking to me, by asking me. Then why are you keeping quiet? Drona, don't mute yourself. Wait.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, wait. Sahit Verma. Sahit Verma, speak. Steve Vallabha.
So, Sahit.
Sahit, tell me.
So I'll take the G one, so.
G. Where are you gone till now?
Yes, sir.
Where are you till now? I'm asking again and again. Sri Vallabha.
Yes, sir.
Is it Sri Vallabha?
Yes, sir.
Just now entered, or are you there in the class?
I'm already in the class, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Take one question.
Sir, my name is already in B.
Okay, then this is Sri Vallabha.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, then Sri Harsha. What is your question?
Sir?
Sri Harsha.
Sir? Sir, can I tell my answer?
Who?
Sir, first the left side one is 1. The answer is
Wait. Who is answering and which question you are answering?
Sir, I'm Sri Harsha.
Sri Harsha.
B1.
Which question you are answering?
B1.
B1, this is for Sri Harsha. Sri Vallabha, take another question.
Sir, it's for me only, sir. See?
Okay, if I consider you, this is the situation. Otherwise, it is better.
Sir, they told Sri Harsha, sir. You hear like Sri Vallabha.
This is Sri Harsha only, but Sri Vallabha is also saying the same. Sri Vallabha, you take other question. C or F? C or F, take anyone.
C.
Okay, Sri Vallabha, this is. And this is Sri Harsha. Okay, see, let me tell you one point. Later you explain. Don't write anything. Just see. Yeah, time is over, but we'll complete it. Just wait. Wait, don't write anything. See here. Somewhere, some 7, 5, 9. Sorry. 752 minus 8. Sorry. 359. See how to solve this type of question. This is special. That's why I'm telling. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is actually 4. Because next place is a match, we have to consider it as match because subtraction is possible. 5 minus 5 subtraction is possible. That's why we have to consider it as match only. So 7 minus 3 is 4. Keep it as it is. 5 minus 5, 0. But see the next place. It's a mismatch. How can you subtract 1 from 0? So because we cannot subtract 1 from 0, we have to subtract 1 from 40. So make it 39. Understood, all of you? See, again, I'm telling 7 minus 3 is 4. Because next place is match, I'm writing 4 as it is. 5 minus 5 is 0. Because next place is mismatch, we have to reduce 1 from 0. Because we cannot reduce 1 from 0, we have to reduce from 1 from 40. So 40 minus 1 will be 39. And the remaining is same. 9's complement is 1. 1 plus 3 is, 1 plus 2 is 3. So answer is 393. Yeah, all of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we'll
Yes,
start.
sir, understood.
Understood, sir. Shiva Pranav. Excuse me,
Sir,
sir.
the time is up.
Sir,
Yeah.
can I take F1? Please continue to
Sir, if no one is left, so can the
Can we take
person who got chance can choose?
Sir, can I take my... Excuse me, ma'am.
If I unmute, this is the situation. You are not speaking one by one. Altogether, if you speak, nobody can understand anything. I'm unmuting. Just wait and speak. Otherwise, time is also will be gone.
Sir, can I tell my answer?
Aditi.
Sir, I'm Harsha, sir.
Aditi, first question number 1.
Yes, sir.
This is for myself. Okay, Aditi.
Sir, 4 minus 1 is 3, but the next number is a mixed matched combination, so we will write 2.
Okay.
So the complement of 8 is 2, so 4 plus 2 is 6.
Okay. Keep it as it is or reduce 1?
As it is, sir.
As it is, because next place is a match. Okay.
4 minus 3 is 1.
1. That's all. That is the answer.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir and Jade, sir, I didn't understand L1. So could I take F1 and could you take L1, please?
Okay, no issue.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, fast. Sriharsha. Fast,
Sir,
fast.
Sir, 6 minus 2 is 4, but it is not matchable. So we should write 3, sir.
Okay.
And next one is the
8's complement is?
8 complement is 2, sir. 3 plus 2 is 5, sir.
That is the answer. Sri Vallabha.
Yes, sir.
Explain.
Sir, 3 minus 5 is 3 minus 5 is.
Where are you?
Sir?
C. Question number C is yours.
Yes, sir.
You are not there in the class. Physically, you may be there, but mentally, you are not there in the class. We are solving from left to right.
Okay.
You are telling from right to left. Wait, don't write anything in the chat box. Don't write, all of you.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Left to right. 8 minus 3 is 3.
Sir, it's yes, sir.
Wait. All of you wait. Sri Vallabha, please respond. 8 minus 3?
Sir, it's 2.
Sorry?
Sir, it's 2.
8 minus 3.
Oh, sir, 8 minus 3 is 8 minus 3 is 5.
5. Next place is a match or mismatch?
Sir, it's mismatch.
Mismatch means we have to reduce that 5 by 1. It will be 4. What is the complement of 4?
Sir, it's 2.
Okay. Okay. You see the video again. Okay. Today's video, compulsory, you have to see the video and you have to answer all these questions in the next class. Sri Vallabha. Okay. You are not listening to the class. You are not listening to the class.
Sir, already our other class started.
Sir, who is taking L?
Satvika. This is
Yes,
my
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Satvika. Proceed.
Sir, 6 minus 3 is 3.
Satvika got, sir.
No, I didn't get.
No.
Sir, but that is not right. Okay.
Wait.
6 minus
Is that F1, sir?
Let her complete. Let her complete.
6 minus 3 is 3.
Okay.
And 9 minus 6 is a match. So 3 will remain as 3 only.
Okay.
Next, 9 minus 6 is 3. But the next number is a mismatch. So 3 will become 2.
Okay.
And 8's complement pair is 2. So we'll add 2 to 5. So it will become 7.
7. Okay. Yadharth.
Sir, didn't.
Sir?
Yadharth.
Sir, 5 minus 3 is 2, sir.
Okay.
But 1 minus 8 is mismatching, sir. So
Okay.
2 will write as 1, sir.
Okay.
Then 8's complement is 2, sir.
Okay.
So then 2 plus 1 is 3, sir.
That's very good. Jay.
Sir, one more thing, sir. Our other classes start, sir. So can I leave, sir, and join that?
Okay. All of you have classes or?
Yes, sir. We have one.
Sir, all the 6th class have the class, sir.
Sir, I will.
7th class, sir, not 6th class.
Okay. I'll keep this screen as it is for the next class. Okay. I'll continue from this point only. From question
Okay,
number.
sir.
Sir, the time is up, sir. I didn't get any chance. Can you give in the next class, sir?
Who is having no chance?
Ashwath Reddy.
Ashwath's question is J, right? So you will get in the next class.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I'll give you chance in the next class. Okay, bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.